Hello, and welcome to our UKG Ready Dashboard and Hubs mini-series. My name is Kristen Hugg, a Customer Marketing Program Manager for UKG Ready. This mini-series will focus on the dashboard functionality available in the UKG Ready system. In this session, we'll look at an overview of the different dashboard types and what can be included on those tabs. But before we dive into the functionality, I want to start with this question. What is a dashboard? A dashboard is a place that organizes, stores, and displays important information from multiple data sources in one easy to access place. So think about a car. A dashboard shows almost everything you need to know about your car, such as how fast you're going, how much gas you have left, your coolant levels, air pressure, and so much more, all in one place for you to easily access and see right in front of you. And many times you can take action on those different factors, for example, when your check engine light comes on. So inside of Ready, we also have dashboards that present that easy to access screen to show you your important data, such as your pay, your timesheet data, and also allows you to take action on different processes such as clocking in and out and viewing your benefits. And that's exactly what we'll be diving into here. Throughout this video, we'll break down the dashboard settings and requirements. First, let's take a look at the different types of dashboards UKG Ready offers. Let's start from the beginning when the new UI launched. The home dashboard became the new landing page when you first logged in. Admins would assign this dashboard as the default view, which gives users access to different widgets that would help them complete tasks or view important information. Users also had the ability to create their own views by using the My Dashboard feature. This would allow a user to customize the screen by using different widgets they use the most. Each functional area also houses its own dashboard by using the domain dashboards and hubs. These domain tabs are a great place to put charts and graphs that show the data from your different processes relating to those functions inside of Ready. And as the dashboards progressed, came more flexibility and the ability to utilize more functionality through those custom tabs. The custom tabs allow you to build your own type of dashboard or hub with any of the content available for the dashboards. Next, the company culture could be taken to a new level with the introduction of the Company Hub tabs. The Company Hub allows you the ability to provide your organization with a one-stop shop for connection and communication. By utilizing the Company Hub, you can seamlessly share information and emphasize your culture in the same place your workforce relies on for day-to-day work. Think of it as an intranet for your employees. And lastly, the most recent dashboard type introduced was the pre-boarding and onboarding tabs. These tabs allow for your companies to streamline their own onboarding processes and increase engagement and retention while promoting company culture for new hires during those crucial pre-boarding and onboarding phases. Now that you know the types of dashboards that are available to create, let's take a look at what can be added to those tabs to pull it all together. There are 4 different elements to the dashboard layouts. First, you can add charts and graphs based on different reports in your system. These charts and graphs can be pre-configured in the report view or built directly from each of your tabs. Next, you have the ability to add widgets. Starting with the UKG defined widgets, you can choose from 33 different widgets pre-built into the Ready system. The widgets are used for employees such as announcements, my benefits, my timesheet, my pay, and then manager functions such as attendance board, missing punches, recruitment, and timesheets awaiting my approval. You can see all of the widget options listed here. The other type of widget is the content widget. The content widget allows you the ability to create your own content that you would like to share with users. Content widgets are created using an HTML editor and allows you to embed items such as videos, images, PDF viewers, maps, weather, and more. The content widget also allows you to bring a touch of your company inside of Ready and cultivate your company culture. Lastly, you have the ability to add pivot charts to the dashboard. And you'll notice there's an asterisk next to this because you can only do this if you have the People Insights module. The People Insights module allows for deeper analytics from your data inside of Ready and allows for the ability to create pivot charts. All right, so you have the puzzle pieces. So let's look at some of the finished products as I take you through the details of each tab and break down what they can look like and what to expect when building them out. As mentioned, the Home tab is going to most likely be your first home screen when you log in. The Home tab has 9 slots available for a combination of charts and graphs, pivot charts, and UKG widgets. These tabs can be maintained either by a system admin or by the individual user. Similar to the Home tab, you have the My Dashboard tab, which allows users to have a dashboard of their own. The My Dashboard also has a maximum number of 9 slots available and includes the ability to add reports and charts and graphs, pivot charts, and the UKG widgets. What makes this different from the Home tab is that it is maintained and controlled by the end user versus a manager or admin pushing down the information. Both the Home tab and the My Dashboard tab have the ability to use saved views to view different configurations of your tabs. Next are the domain tabs, which are available for each of the modules such as time, recruitment, accruals, HR, and more. The domain tabs are maintained either by a system admin or the end user, again with the saved views available to switch between different functionality views. The domain tabs are meant to be used to house data relating to those areas. This is a great way to provide key data points for different processes. For the domain tabs, there's also a max number of 9 slots available and allows you to add reports, charts and graphs, widgets, and pivot charts. The different domain tabs can be enabled and disabled in the security profile. So if you want to limit what users see, maybe you want a manager to see just the time, accruals, and schedule domain tabs, you can disable all the others. Moving into the custom tabs. Custom tabs have similar functions, including the 9-slot maximum and the ability to include reports and charts and graphs, UKG widgets, and the pivot charts, but provides a little bit more flexibility with the ability to add the content widgets. You can see in the example here an HR Manager dashboard that includes some charts and graphs, a grid view of the employee information report, 2 of the UKG widgets including checklists and recruitment, as well as a content widget which includes a video about company culture. Next, the Company Hub is there to give your organization a way to communicate and provide vital resources to your people using the branded content that is unique to your organization's experiences. There are a few functions that make this tab different than the others. The first is that it is strictly maintained by an admin and the end user cannot edit or make changes. The Company Hub also allows you to add up to 20 different widgets, giving you a little more wiggle room to be able to provide that branded content. And while the other tabs have the ability to add all of the UKG widgets, the Company Hub only allows 8 of those widgets to be added, including announcements, documents, events, the Fun tab, Google Sheets, links, social media, and the Websites tab, as well as the content widgets. Lastly, the pre-boarding and onboarding tabs are controlled through the onboarding profile, which makes them a little different than the other tabs, which are all controlled through the dashboard layout profiles. It utilizes 3 different tab types, including the pre-boarding tab, the first day package tab, and the onboarding tab. The tabs are built out similarly to the Company Hub and utilizes the same capabilities, including the 20-slot maximum and limit it to just the UKG widgets and content widgets. What is different from the Company Hub capabilities is that once again, you can utilize all of the UKG widgets versus the limited list that the Company Hub allows. These tabs are also maintained by the admin only. Users will have access to the pre-boarding and first day package tabs through the pre-boarding portal, which is also different than the rest of the tabs. Now that you have the dashboard types and the functions and abilities of each of these tabs, you may be wondering how each of these different dashboards are shared with users. The majority of the tabs are maintained through the dashboard layout profile. If users do not have a specific type of dashboard layout profile assigned, they're just going to have the home and domain tabs available. The only tab types that cannot be maintained through the dashboard layout profile are the onboarding and pre-boarding tabs. Those are maintained through the onboarding profile. Both profiles are assigned to an employee through their profile, which can be assigned on an individual basis or through the mass edit option. You can also set these profiles as defaults based on a global level, security profile, cost center, position assignment, or default job. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to the UKG Ready Dashboard and Hub mini-series. I hope this walkthrough provided you with the details on different dashboard and hub functionality available to you in the UKG Ready system. We have several resources available on our UKG Ready community pages and in the online documentation, including the Charts, Reports, and Dashboards user guide and the Company Hub user guide. So be sure to check out those as well.